Sunday and Kel and I decided that we are going to start meal prepping for the week, just because we've been, you know, just using Postmates so heavy. And then I feel like sometimes when you're hungry, you just want food fast and like you tend to eat a bit unhealthier. So we decided to meal prep so it takes the work and the thought out of cooking and picking your meals during the week. And this is our first run at it. We bought a bunch of Tupperware to store all our meals. And this is our grocery list for our first run. We got some plant butter, some bell peppers, cucumbers, corn. We got salmon, and then farro, which is our grain. And then we got some hummus, onions, bunch of broccoli. We love broccoli. Garlic to season everything. OMG, that's escaping me all of a sudden. Brussels sprouts, eggs. This is one product that I've really been loving lately. It's the Eco Organic Fruit and Veggie Wash. And basically we just spray it on our fruits and vegetables and just like run it under water and kind of let it all sit and like soak to get all the dirt and the bacteria off. And we just adopted this because of COVID right now, but now that I think about it, I think even when we're in the clear out of COVID, I would still continue to do this because there's just a lot of probably, I don't know exactly what, but I know there's some stuff on here that we don't want to be consuming. That's a lot of veggies.
Inside this meal prep oven roasted vegetable medley, you're gonna find broccoli, Brussels sprouts, white onion, garlic, grapeseed oil, salt, pepper. Cook it up, store it up, eat it up. Meal prep. We'll be back.
We're joking about how we're gonna start our own meal prep program, and then I think a few days ago, Kellen asked me what my very first AIM name was, and it was Lil Prep 012. So he just brought it back, you know. So we put in so much garlic. We put in 2 cloves, not 2 cloves, like 2 whole garlic, because you can literally never have enough garlic.
2 of these.
That's right.
2 completes.
That's right. So our veggies are out. So we have 4 going so far, and this is just steam/boiled dinosaur kale, which I really love, and then some farro. Just washed these baby carrots, just put into the refrigerator. You just eat it with some hummus. A bunch of garlic on mine. A little bit of garlic on his, and this cute little lemon topper, and I'm gonna just put more garlic on mine. You know guys, it just literally just brings out so much flavor.
Wow, this is crazy.
Is it though?
I mean, wow.
That's right. And we just have some steamed kale, steamed spinach.
Skinach?
Spinach.
What's skinach?
Learn about it. And then there's farro. And then mine has corn. And then we have roasted veggies, which is broccoli, Brussels sprouts, onions, and lots of garlic. Yum.
And skinach. And that is completed fish.
Oof. That smells delish and looks delish.
It really does.
Damn, y'all. We're on that meal prep life. Kellen put up this beautiful mirror today that we got from Soho Home. And it's just been sitting at our entrance for a minute now. But since it's the weekend, we got this up. And then we are now hanging all of his artwork. He has lots and lots. amazing job that everything's lined up really well. It looks great. And visually, this room actually looks bigger because of the ceiling. Here's a reminder to drink your water. I love this Soma water bottle. I have this one and a larger white one that's currently in the dishwasher. So yeah, just stay hydrated all day long. And I came into the kitchen for a little snack and we bought a watermelon, but I feel like we're ending near watermelon season, so it wasn't that sweet. So I was like, okay, what can I do to make it sweeter and juicier? And last time I was watching Mariana Hewitt's stories and she sprinkled cinnamon on her watermelon, which I thought was so interesting. But I sprinkled cinnamon on it, like just a little touch, and it's so bomb. Just a little bit, just a touch. I'm just waiting on my office chair and my office table to start, you know, building it out, furnishing it out. Actually, what I want to do with this walls is actually on my 2019 vision board. I have that one there, my 2021's right there. But I had this on here from CB2 and I really love it. And that's what I want to do with my office wall back here. Our ceilings are quite high, so it'll be really cool to build it out. And this chair, I didn't even realize it was in this photo, but we actually have it in our bedroom. Ta-da! I mean, here we go. So I really love that chair. It is the Goop chair from CB2. I love anything Goop. Well, the chair itself is really cute, but just happened to be a collab. But actually, in my head, the chair was a lot bigger. So in our bedroom, it looks quite small. So we're thinking of relocating it somewhere and building out our little bedroom nook in a different way. I've been literally living on Pinterest. So much good inspo, actually endless inspo, but it's really, really great. That's how I kind of ideated how I'm gonna decorate our home. So, okay. It is dinner time and we are going to eat our meal prep meals. We have Kellen in my different container, but we actually stored the fish separately. So we're just gonna pop it into the oven. And we actually didn't season our meals very much, so we can kind of customize it every time and do different flavors just because we don't want to get sick of it. So we're just gonna pop this in the oven. How long do we need to heat it for?
15 minutes, 10 minutes.
10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. At 350, I'm starving. Yum, just took these out of the oven and so ready to eat.
What's up? It's your favorite meal prepper, Kellen Rowland. Good to see you. We're midway through the first half of the Lakers playoff game. They're crushing it. We're also crushing it. See? We're out here. Let me deliver my water to my baby and our camera. There you go. I just started taking this. It's called 8 Greens. So Kellen drinks this thing called Athletic Greens. I tried it before. The flavor was like a little too strong for me. But this one, it is a From Farm to Fizz, and it has all these ingredients. So you just drop in the tablet. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like green juice. But I thought the flavor would be really strong, and I also thought it was going to be carbonated, but it's not because I don't like carbonation. I think the only time I ever drink it is for kombucha. The flavor is really light, it's a little bit sweet, so you know, I can commit. It's good. I always have water by my desk. I drink so much water, I don't even really keep track at this point. I really like this one. I recently ordered it. It is a Soma water bottle and it has this nice little handle on it. And now I'm just gonna get my day started. Hello! Can we just cuddle cute for the camera? I'm trying to get the red meat off my hands. Do you want the red? You want the red meat just on your hands? Look at me, I'm making watermelon.
Watermelon. Oh, Alexa, timer off. I'm eating this cucumber with samjang, which is like literally my favorite snack growing up. My mom used to always make it as a part of dinner. And like when you eat, oh my god, I don't remember what it was called. Samgyeopsal. When you eat samgyeopsal, samjang was a favorite. And I really missed it. So I asked my mom, so I think hers is the best, but I actually ended up buying store-bought, and she was like, the secret is to chop little onions. We were cooking in our new caraway pans and we were obsessed with them. I just love them initially purely for their aesthetic because they're so pretty, but they actually are very high function. High function? And it got the seal of approval from Kellen because he is
Mr. Pans.
yeah, he knows his pants.
I do my research.
He really does.
It's a quality product. Look at her. Look at her. She's working so hard.
Our kitchen looks like a test kitchen right now. Kellen made Emily's cinnamon toast crunch bread. Ooh, it smells so good. So she has a healthy alternative ebook, and this is where we got the recipe. Bomb.
It's bomb.
This is our first meal, breaking away from meal prep because it is the weekend, and Kellen made chickpea pesto pasta, and we're serving it in these new bowls and cups that we got from Soho Home, and it's super cute. Thank you. We're craving pasta, and we cooked it in the caraway pans, which are super beautiful, really high functioning. Wow, it's so good. Sriracha on everything. So Kellen always cooks and I clean. It's a really great system because he is a great chef, and I am apparently a good cleaner.
It's literally the perfect system.
Mm-hmm.
It's called the Poots and Pouts system.
Our new cloud is here. I've literally been anticipating this day for so long. It is so beautiful. I feel like it just ties in the entire living room. And what I'm doing right now is just going ahead and steaming all the cushions and the chairs, because you can tell there's just a little fold action. It's a little wrinkly. Plus, I think this is just a really great way to steam it and sanitize it. So we are on week 2 of our meal prep, and we are cooking, Kellen is cooking edamame noodles, and we're keeping the dressing really simple. We are doing garlic, oil, and just salt and pepper. Get to work. Also wanted to show you guys this super cute top. This is from Women, which is Sophia's and Whaley's line, and everything is made with stock fabric or upcycled fabric, if I'm correct. And now it's made to order. But this is from their past collection. I just got it and it's so cute. It's a bodysuit. So I'm editing one of my, or at this point I guess it's already out, but my footage from August, and this was a few weeks before Kel and I started meal prepping and really just getting very focused on what we're putting into our bodies. And it's so crazy because I can see such a big difference. I'm a little, have a little chub sitch. A lot of my weight goes to my face, and I feel like I also hold it in my arms a lot. But before, I mean, I feel like we were just not mindlessly eating, but not proactively eating, but we are now, and we were just talking about it yesterday too. And a really good proponent of meal prepping is also it's healthy and it's wholesome, and it takes the brain work out of it. But since we know we are eating like meal A, B, or C, we don't reach for anything unhealthy after, because we know like where our meal begins and ends. And yeah, I really like it. I feel like it affects your energy levels. You look better, you feel better from the inside out. So it's been really good.